Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can update any kind of Android app in your phone, and we're going to be doing that using our Play Store. So guys, if you want to know more, make sure you watch to the end of this video, and also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, the first step that you have to take if you're using an Android phone is to tap on your Play Store app. You can see there, that's the logo. Let me tap on it. So guys, once your Google Play Store opens, the first step that you have to take now is to tap on the search icon. You can see there at the top left corner. You tap on it. So guys, this is where you can actually search for the app that you want to update in your phone. So let me search for my YouTube Studio app. I want to update my YouTube Studio Android app. So let me search for it. It's YouTube Studio app for Android. Guys, let me tap on search. So guys, you can see the YouTube Studio app there. That's the second option, the red and white logo. You can see that it actually needs updating. That's why you can see that icon there, update. So if you want to update this app now like every other apps, all you have to do is to tap on update. So let me go ahead to tap on it. But before that, for you to actually confirm that it's actually the app that you want to update, just tap on the app logo. Let me tap on it. You can see that the app has opened up, and here we have so many information about the app, about the description of the app. You can go ahead to check more about the app. You can see here it has a review of 4.4, which means people are actually talking good things about the app, and it has over 100 million downloads. That means people are actually downloading this app and it's giving them their required result. So guys, once you've confirmed that it's actually the app that you want to update, then you tap on the update icon. You can see there at the top the blue icon with the update written on it. So let me tap on it. And see now it has started downloading. Wow guys, you can see that it is now installing. In a short while our app is going to be updated. Let's just wait for a while. Wow guys, you can see it has been updated. So if you want to go ahead to open the app, you tap on open. Let me tap on open so that you get to see that the app has been updated. Wow guys, you can see now I'm in my YouTube app, and this is so amazing. This is the updated version of my app, and you can do this for every other app that you have in your Android phone. So guys, I've come to the end of this video, and I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.